There are no shortcuts, only hard work. Train hard and be patient. It will pay off. This is part 10 of the series Physics for Competitive Exams. And here we go. The year 2014 is called as International Year of Crystallography. This year 2014 marks the 100th year of Bragg's discovery of X-ray crystallography and was celebrated as International Year of Crystallography by United Nations. Who is described as the father of thermodynamics? Leonard Nicholas Sadi-Carnot is called as the father of thermodynamics. He was the one first who developed the concept of ideal heat engines. So he was regarded or described as the father of thermodynamics. The value of g, the acceleration due to gravity at the equator is, we know the value of the standard value for the acceleration due to gravity is 9.8, but it does vary with place, and at the equator it is minimum in the sense it is only 9.70 meter per second square, and the objects will measure or weigh 0.5 times lesser than at the usual places. Which planet is called as twin of Earth? Planet Venus is called as the twin of Earth or the twin sister of Earth. This is because the planet Venus almost looks same in mass, density, composition, everything to Earth, and even it is called as the evil twin of Earth. The unit of luminosity is. Luminosity is a term which is used to represent the brightness or the power emitted by the astronomical object, and candela is the unit which is used to measure luminosity. 1 angstrom, which we use it for measuring the wavelength, is 10 power minus 10 meters. An instrument used to measure the wind speed is anemometer. So this anemometer which will help to note down the wind speed, especially during the cyclones. The value of universal gravitational constant G in SI units is 6.674 into 10 power minus 11 Newton meter square per kilogram square. So the numerical value is same in all the options. The difference is in the units. In SI unit it is Newton meter square per kilogram square. The next one, the light passing through the optic center of the lens goes, that is when a light passed through a lens, that is through its optic center, after refraction goes undeviated, that is it goes in a straight line. The screw gauge, the small device which is omnipresent in all physics experiment, works on the principle of screw. All day in our physics laboratories we use the screw gauge, but nobody bothers about on what principle does the screw gauge works. It works on the principle of screw. Which of the following electromagnetic radiations are used for long distance photography? Infrared rays are used for long distance photography. This infrared photography was especially used during World War II, uh, even during night times also it is used. The coefficient of restitution for a perfectly elastic body is A is equal to 1. The number of atoms in unit cell of a simple cubic structure is 1. Which of the following is the boson particle? Photon is the boson particle which obeys the Bose-Einstein statistics. The remaining three options are the electron, neutron, proton are all fermion particle. The first Nobel Prize in Physics was awarded to Wilhelm Röntgen. He was the first recipient of Nobel Prize in Physics for his discovery of X-rays, which greatly helped in the medical field for the human mankind.